Hi, this is Charlie Roadman, Austin criminal defense attorney, and today I want to talk about an ignition interlock device requirement when you don't have a car. Okay, now sometimes you're required to get this IID as a bond condition or probation condition or something like that, but you don't have a car. Now, unfortunately, that doesn't make the requirement disappear. You have to talk with a judge, or your attorney does this, and explain the situation to the judge, but most times the judge is going to say, no problem, have your client get a portable alcohol monitor or a scram device, an ankle monitor even. The portable sounds like it wouldn't be much of a problem, but unfortunately it is. It's a lot more difficult than the ignition interlock device because you have to blow into it 4 times a day in these windows every single day. My suggestion, if you have an IID requirement but no car, Plan A, ask your family and friends, beg them, please, someone let me use your car for 3 months, 6 months, a year, or whatever you need, because sometimes people just have cars in their garage that they don't use, okay? That would be great. Plan B, though, and this is a little weird, I say buy a burner car, a cheap car, something that works, okay, but you don't need to drive it all the time, okay? You will need to drive it to get the IID installed and once a month back to that company to have them do the checkup. But other than that, you can just start the car periodically because they will require you to start the car, but turn it on, check your Instagram, TikTok, whatever, and then turn it off and go back inside, okay? The courts want to see that you're starting it, but they don't typically care about whether you're actually driving around. Now, you of course can't have another car without the IID that you're driving around in, but this scenario is just if you don't really need a car, but you have an IID requirement, you can buy what I call a burner car. Okay, now a couple examples of this just off Craigslist today. Here's a 2009 Hyundai for $1,500. Here's a 2003 Chrysler for $1,800. And then Facebook Marketplace, a 1998 Honda Civic. Okay, now be real careful. Don't buy a car that's not safe, and don't buy a stolen car accidentally. Okay, use your common sense when you're choosing this car. But it is very important to understand that I'm often telling my clients, look, the portable is very difficult, and it's just easier if you get a cheap car, put the IID in it, comply with the bond condition, and then you won't be on the judge's radar for anything but complying. All right, I hope that helps.